In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retake Indeed assessments. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, it's important to understand why you might want to retake an Indeed assessment. Perhaps you didn't do as well as you hoped the first time, or maybe you've gained new skills or knowledge that you want to showcase to potential employers. Whatever your reason, the good news is that Indeed allows you to retake assessments, but there are some guidelines to be aware of. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Indeed account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first. Just head over to Indeed's website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, and once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page. You can find this by clicking on your name or profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. In your profile, there should be a section dedicated to assessments. Click on that to view which assessments you've previously taken and any that you are eligible to retake. Now here's where things get interesting. Indeed typically allows you to retake an assessment after a waiting period. This period can vary depending on the specific assessment, but it's usually around a few days. Make sure to check the details for each assessment listed, as there will often be a note on when you can take it again. If the assessment you want to retake does not have any waiting period, you can directly click on the Retake button next to the assessment. If there is a waiting period, you'll need to be patient and wait until the designated time has passed. During this time, I suggest brushing up on the topics covered in the assessment. You can find many resources online, such as practice tests, articles, and tutorials that can help you prepare better for the second attempt. After clicking the Retake button, you'll be taken to the assessment page. You might encounter different question formats, as Indeed often updates their assessments. Take your time and read each question carefully. Remember to manage your time wisely so you can provide thoughtful responses. Once you've completed the assessment, your results will be available for you to see. Check these results carefully. Indeed will provide feedback on your performance, which can be incredibly useful to understand where you excelled and where you might need improvement. Now, an important tip. Consider adding relevant experience or skills to your Indeed profile after you retake the assessment. This can give hiring managers a more well-rounded view of your abilities, making you a more appealing candidate. Finally, don't forget to stay positive. If your retake doesn't go exactly as planned, it's essential to remember that every attempt is an opportunity to learn and grow. Employers value resilience and the ability to improve, so don't be discouraged. There you have it, a simple guide to retaking Indeed assessments. Remember, preparation is key, so make sure to utilize the resources available to you. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any part of the retake process, feel free to drop your queries in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks on navigating your job search successfully. Happy job hunting!